Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Eyes on Tools.
When people talk about AI at work, most tools still feel the same. You open a chat, type a prompt, copy the answer, and then jump between tabs, trying to turn that answer into real work. In the end, you become the project manager for the AI. Helio tries to change that. Instead of giving you another chatbot window, it turns AI into actual teammates that work inside the same workspace as you. They join channels, pick up tasks, share updates, and move work forward while you stay in control of the important decisions.
Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and tell me in the comments which AI tools should be next on the list.
So in this quick walkthrough, I'm not going to do a long feature dump. I'm going to show you how Helio feels in real use by building a small AI team, setting up the workspace, running a simple workflow, and seeing where humans still stay in charge. That is the real story here. Not just what Helio can do, but how it changes the way work moves. The first thing I do is create a new workspace. Right away, it feels more like a collaboration platform than an AI chatbot. I have channels, tasks, an inbox, a calendar, and a place where both humans and AI teammates can work together. Instead of opening AI only when I need help, AI becomes part of the workspace itself. Now it's time to build my team. I start by creating an AI project manager that will organize the project and keep everything moving. Then I add an AI engineer for development tasks, an AI content specialist for writing, and finally an AI operations teammate that handles coordination and project updates. Instead of creating prompts every time I need something, I'm assigning responsibilities to teammates that will work throughout the entire project. With my team ready, I organize the workspace by creating a few channels. I create one for product, another for engineering, one for operations, and one for launch. Keeping everything separated makes it easy to follow the project, and because the AI teammates work directly inside these channels, every update stays connected to the work instead of getting buried inside long conversations. Now, let's build something. For this demo, I'm creating a project called Startup Landing Page Launch. I enter the project name, write a short description explaining the goal, choose a deadline, and create the project. Instead of manually planning everything, I simply describe what I want to build. Within a few moments, the AI project manager starts organizing the work. It creates research tasks, content tasks, development tasks, review tasks, and finally deployment. What would normally take time to plan is now ready almost instantly. And if I want to adjust anything, I still have full control. Before letting the project continue, I want to automate one part of the workflow. I open the automation section and create a simple rule. Whenever a task is completed, Helio will automatically assign the next task to the right AI teammate and post an update inside the project channel. It's a small automation, but it removes one of the most repetitive parts of project management. Instead of manually moving work between stages, everything keeps flowing automatically while the whole team stays informed. Now it's time to let the AI workforce do its job. The content specialist immediately starts writing the landing page copy, including the headline, feature descriptions, and call to action. At the same time, the AI engineer opens a coding session and starts building the landing page. Meanwhile, the operations teammate keeps track of deadlines and updates the project as work progresses. What I like here is that everything happens inside the same workspace. I don't need to jump between different AI chats or different applications. Every teammate contributes to the project, and I can watch the progress happen in real time. As tasks are completed, the automation starts working exactly as expected. The next task is automatically assigned, progress updates appear in the channel, and the project board updates itself without any manual effort. It feels much less like managing AI prompts and much more like managing a team that already knows what to do next. If I open any task, I can see everything that's happened. The discussion, the generated files, the progress, and any notes from the AI teammates are all attached to that task. Nothing is hidden inside endless conversations, which makes reviewing work much easier. Eventually, the engineering work reaches an important milestone. The landing page is ready, and now it's time to publish it. Instead of deploying manually, I open the deployment task in Helio and choose Netlify as the deployment target. All I have to do is paste the URL of my Netlify project, and Helio takes care of the deployment process. Before anything goes live, it asks for my approval, giving me one final chance to review everything. Once I approve it, the deployment starts, the project status updates automatically, and within a few moments, the landing page is live. The operations teammate posts the update in the project channel, so everyone immediately knows the deployment was successful. Once you see work happening inside the same workspace, the idea starts making a lot more sense. That is Helio, an AI native workforce where humans stay in control and AI helps the work move forward.